Boy, I hope Weenie Girl doesn't see me in this outfit. The Bandidos made a strong showing here in Evanston this year. These girls are part of the A-list bikini team. They will be putting on the fashion show coming up. Right now, they're selling their calendars. And they're out of Riverton, Utah. And their website is alistbikiniteam.com.
The crowd gathers at the fairgrounds for the, quote, games people play. This one is called Honey, I'm Home. Sweetie Pie is in bed with a visitor. When the old man comes home and says, Honey, I'm home, these boys have to get up and jump into a pair of shorts, dive through the window, and scram. Well, let's reverse it to see what happens if the old man leaves again. And then, of course, there's the roll in the hay, but not with a man. These girls are on all fours grubbing through the hay for nothing less than a potato.
You're about done.
Hospitalization!
Biker bull riding is becoming the rage. The victims gather for a short lesson on bull riding and last rites.
This is the All Biker Bull Rodeo as we get ready for Luke to come out of gate number 1. These guys are all competing for fun. Big hand, this is Luke!
First on the agenda is bull poker. 4 guys sit at a table and play poker. This is not for the best hand, by the way, while a loose bull charges around looking for someone to put the horn into.
Oh man! He got a piece of the chair! Go, 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 go! Oh, nasty! He's gone. Uh-oh. Oh, give him a big hand! Big hand!
After we get 6, if you got something that'll kill probably 10 minutes, will we bring him back, or 5 minutes?
Yeah, we'll just have the guy announce some stuff.
Wounded but okay, he gets his share of the booty.
Uh-oh. Here we go! Oh, give him a big hand! Big hand! Whoa! He's still on! He's still on! Okay, we're going to put that ball away. Just missed it. Boy, that ball almost came down on you dropped that. He said he's ready. Let's do it. He's trying to hold on. Go, Jason. Hold on, Jason. Hold on, Jason. Go, Jason.
While Jason turns in the best time of the day, the rodeo clown takes home another scar. Well now, looky here. A 52-year-old woman that wants to ride the bull.
And this bull is not making it easy for Jill. The bull doesn't know the difference nor care whether this is a guy or a girl. He is going to buck just as hard. He is going to be just as ferocious and just as fierce, trying to throw this biker off its back. Anybody here from Evanston, Wyoming, a little community support would be nice for Jill Oliver. He's having second thoughts. The conversation going on right now is, I don't know if I really want to do this. I don't know if I really want to do this. All right, but you paid your premium on your life insurance. Do it. Here she comes. Oh, yeah. Jill, yeah. You did it, Jill. You did it. Tell you what, when you get home tonight, when you get $500 from Casper, Wyoming.
Oh, that was awesome. I don't want to ever do it again, though.
Cowgirl from hell! Ah! Woo!
Thank you.
Wyoming women!